Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best eyebrow grooming set is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to achieve perfectly shaped and defined eyebrows, transforming your facial features with precision and ease. And this comprehensive kit is designed to empower you with everything you need for salon-quality results right at home, ensuring that your brows are always on point, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro seeking the ultimate solution for flawless arches. Number 5. TsMADDTs 6-piece Tweezers Set. Introducing the TsMADDTs 6-piece Tweezers Set, your ultimate solution for precise grooming. This set is designed for effortless hair removal and shaping. With a variety of tools, including curved scissors, these are perfect for tackling ingrown hairs and everyday beauty needs. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Specifically curated for women, this set ensures a comfortable and effective hair plucking experience. Enhance your daily beauty routine with these essential tools. Crafted for durability, each tool is made to last. The included leather travel case keeps your tweezers organized and protected wherever you go. This comprehensive set is your go-to for maintaining perfectly shaped eyebrows and a flawless complexion. Invest in quality tools for lasting beauty. What we like. This set offers a variety of precision tools for all your grooming needs. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for plucking and shaping, this is a great choice. Its included leather case makes it ideal for travel and keeping your tools organized. What people say. The tweezers are very precise and easy to grip. The scissors are sharp and cut hairs cleanly. The set comes with a nice storage case. Number 4. Tweezerman Eyebrow Shaping Scissors and Brush. Achieve perfectly shaped brows with ease. This tool is designed for precise trimming and shaping, giving you a polished look every time. Its ultra-thin blades are custom designed to trim brow hair with exceptional accuracy. Get the clean lines you desire without any guesswork. A built-in brush with thick nylon bristles helps you easily position your brows. Achieve a feathered, natural look by brushing them into place. The small body and finger loop design provide excellent control during use. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the blades are also easy to maintain. First, brush your brows upwards to see which hairs need trimming. Then, use the precision tips to carefully cut one hair at a time. Finish by brushing again to refine the shape. Keep your tool in top condition by cleaning the scissors with soap and water or alcohol. The brush can be wiped clean or washed with soap and water and allowed to dry. What we like. Achieve perfectly shaped brows with these expert-grade scissors and brush. If you prefer a minimalist approach to brow grooming and value precision, this tool is for you. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and easy cleaning. What people say. The tweezers are very precise and easy to grip. The scissors are sharp and cut hair cleanly. The set comes with a brush to help shape the brows. Number 3. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow and Eyeliner Makeup Kit. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows and beautifully defined eyes with this all-in-one makeup kit. It includes everything you need for a flawless look. Our waterproof brow pencil and pomade ensure your look stays put all day, no matter the conditions. Say goodbye to smudges and fading. Get symmetrical brows in seconds with the innovative eyebrow stamp. It's designed for quick and easy application, even for beginners. This kit features a dual-ended brush for precise application and blending. Perfect your brows and eyeliner with professional level control. The rich dark brown shade is ideal for a natural yet impactful look. It complements a variety of skin tones and hair colors. From brows to eyeliner, this kit has you covered. Elevate your makeup routine with this versatile and high-performing collection. What we like. Get flawless brows instantly with this all-in-one makeup kit. If you're seeking a quick and easy way to fill and define your eyebrows, especially if you have sparse brows, this product is a game changer. Its waterproof formula ensures your look lasts all day. What people say. The tweezers are sharp and precise, making it easy to pluck stray hairs. The scissors have a fine tip, perfect for trimming eyebrows to the desired shape. The set includes a spoolie brush for grooming and shaping brows before and after plucking. Number 2. TsMADDTs 7-piece Precision Tweezer Set. Introducing the TsMADDTs 7-piece Precision Tweezer Set. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for perfect brows and facial hair removal, including various tweezers, a curved scissor, a brush, and a razor. Crafted from durable, surgical-grade stainless steel, these tools are designed for precision and longevity. The hand-finished tips are gentle on your skin, preventing allergic reactions and ensuring a comfortable experience. Experience pain-free hair removal with our perfectly aligned, sharp tips. They precisely grip even the shortest, finest hairs at the root, making plucking easy and effective without excessive pressure. Lightweight and portable, this set is your ideal travel companion. It's an essential tool for any skincare or beauty routine, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Looking for the perfect gift? This versatile tweezer set makes a thoughtful choice for any occasion, from Mother's Day to birthdays and holidays. Each tool comes with a protective cover, and the entire set is housed in a sleek leather case. This ensures the tips stay sharp and you stay safe from accidental scratches. What we like? This extensive set provides every tool you might need for precise brow and facial hair grooming. If you demand high-quality, surgical-grade materials and want the versatility of multiple tweezers, a scissor, and even a razor, this is the ultimate kit for you. It's perfect for those who are meticulous about their beauty routine. What people say. The tweezers are very precise and easy to grip. The scissors are sharp and cut cleanly. The set comes with a brush to help shape the brows. Number 1. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow Pen Makeup Kit. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows with our all-in-one makeup kit. It's designed for a natural, full look that lasts all day. Don't worry about smudging or fading. This formula is completely waterproof, ensuring your brows stay flawless through any activity. Create beautifully full and natural-looking brows that stay put. Enjoy confidence with a look that endures from morning to night. This kit includes everything you need, a waterproof pencil, pomade, and a brush. It offers versatility for precise application and blending. Enhance your features with this rich, dark brown shade. It complements a variety of hair colors for a polished finish. What we like? Create beautifully full and natural-looking brows with this long-lasting pen. If you desire a smudge-proof and waterproof solution for defining your eyebrows, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who want a polished look that stays put throughout the day without constant touch-ups. What people say. The tweezers are sharp and precise, making it easy to grab even the finest hairs. The included comb is great for shaping and styling eyebrows before and after grooming. The scissors have a fine point, perfect for trimming unruly eyebrow hairs with accuracy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.